So today's video, I want to show you that I'm faster than my dog Opal. So let's go. Opal's, sorry Opal's. Come on, let's go. She's pretty fast, very faster. Opal's. I think I'm the first human to be faster than a dog. Opal's. Opal's, you want it? Opal's. Go get it. Opal's, get it. Opal's, what? Opal's. 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 Where's your ball, Opal's? Opal's. Go get it, Opal's. And you can't call me a cheater because she could easily just catch up to me and she's not. So I'm faster than my dog. Okay, this is the last time. Come on, let's go. Opal's, you want it? Opal's, you want it? Come and get it, Opal's. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video of me racing against my dog Opal. So that's proof I'm faster than her. See you later.